Madam, I beg to move that the Constitution 96th Amendment Bill 2003 as passed by the Lok Sabha be taken into consideration. Madam, the 84th Amendment to the Constitution in the year 2001 was necessitated by the fact that the earlier amendment in 1973 and the Constitution of the Delimitation Commission under the Act which was of 1973 has envisaged that the earlier delimitation would continue till the year 2000 and thereafter a fresh arrangement had to be made. When the 84th Amendment was taken up, even though the census for 2001 was on, it was anticipated that the figures of the census would be available only after 3 to 4 years. As a result of which, the census could form a basis for delimitation only once the census figures are published. It was then the considered opinion of this House that the last published census being of 1991 should really be the basis for the delimitation, as a result of which we could complete the delimitation quite quickly. Thereafter, the Delimitation Act of 2002 was passed and a delimitation commission which comprises of Justice Kuldeep Singh, a retired judge of the Supreme Court, as the chairperson, Mr. B.V. Tandon as the nominee of the Election Commission, and one member from the state election authorities who would change from state to state has since been functioning. After functioning for a little while, the Delimitation Commission also made a suggestion to the government to consider whether it would be appropriate to wait for some more time and wait for the figures of the 2001 census to be available and the delimitation to be done on basis of 2001 census. And the reason given by them for this was that this delimitation would continue till the year 2026. That is, the delimitation which is done now, a fresh delimitation would be required only for the elections if they are held at a normal time difference for 2031. Since almost for 28 to 30 years, this delimitation would be applicable, then an endeavor could be made to do it as per the latest figures which are 2001 and not as per the 1991 figures which they felt would be a little outdated. Some representations were also made by honorable members from across the various political parties. The government on the 13th of March had held an all-party meeting where views were expressed by all political parties, and there was a larger consensus building up, if not absolute unanimity, that we could perhaps wait for the 1991 figures to be published and then complete the delimitation process. Madam, I have found out that the delimitation figures for on the 2001 census would probably be available by September or October this year. That is after about 3 to 4 months. And the delimitation could be then completed on basis of those figures. Presently also provisional figures for 2001 are available, though the exact breakup of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in the provisional figures is not there. So the Delimitation Commission would continue to undertake its exercise within their own establishment on basis of the 2001 provisional figures and would start the exercise of consultation with the associate members after the final figures are published by September, October 2003. One question which had been also raised on several occasions by members of various political parties, MPs and others, was with regard to the involvement of the associate members in the functioning of the Delimitation Commission itself. The views of those members were brought to the notice of the Commission orally and in writing, and the view of all the political parties as also the government was that except for having a right to vote, the associate members should be involved at all stages, including at the stage of the preparation of the draft proposal itself. The Delimitation Commission accepted that suggestion and has conveyed its response to me in writing, which I have circulated to presidents of all political parties. Madam, it is anticipated that with the passage of this constitution amendment, some amendments of a nominal nature would be required in the Delimitation Act of 2002 also. Wherever the numerical 1991 appears, we will by change of law have to make it into 2001. And thereafter the delimitation exercise could commence afresh and an endeavor would be made. I have spoken to the Delimitation Commission. They also have assured me that an endeavor would be made thereafter to complete the delimitation process as quickly as it is possible. With these few words, Madam, I commend this bill for consideration of this Honorable House.
Thank you.